Hello, and welcome to Buying and Planning. We will now review the outline of the course organization, details, and expectations. This course is broken down into 5 distinct weeks. Each week consists of required readings, activities, and assessments with the goal of mastery of the concepts discussed in each week. Ultimately, you are responsible for your own learning. This is not a traditional lecture, take a test class. The grading component includes weekly assignments and weekly quizzes. Before the end of the semester, you will complete a final project and you will take 2 final examinations. One exam is concept only, the other is math concepts only. Each week you will complete 2 low-stake quizzes. First, you will complete an assignment and then you will input the numbers into the corresponding quiz questions. This quiz is used as a learning assessment. Therefore, you may retake the quiz 3 times in order to master the math concepts. At the end of the 5 weeks, you will apply your knowledge by putting it all together in a final project. This will allow you to use the knowledge that you've acquired concerning the concepts of open-to-buy dollars, retail markup, and assortment plan. So why are you here? What's in this for me? You're here because you have to be. This class fits the curriculum of the program as a prerequisite to internships for credit. Completion of this course ensures that students are ready for industry internship opportunities. This course is relevant by introducing retail math and the concepts and calculations that affect profits. Throughout this class, you will be put into situations where you will be asked to solve real-world retail problems. These skills will transfer to problem solving in the work setting. Additionally, there are 8 skills that I've put up here on this PowerPoint that recruiters are looking for when they interview students. Not only are they looking for the fact that you have grasped some of these significant concepts in college, they're also looking for a combination of soft skills. Since we are not in a classroom setting, all questions need to be asked through Blackboard. I often find that if one student has a question, everyone benefits from the answer. As a result, we will use the discussion board. Discussion threads will be labeled by week, and I will give you a schedule every week when I am checking the thread. Additionally, your classmates can also respond and sometimes help you out as far as questions you might have. This class has a math component. And there is the expectation that you are familiar enough with Excel to complete the work. I provide you with formulas and I provide you with some additional Excel refreshers so that you can be successful in this class. One of the learning objectives of this class is not teaching Excel. You are responsible for that. But proficiency in Excel is something employers do expect. The business of fashion is often viewed as one of the most glamorous industries to be involved in. Many parts of it are. However, it is a business, a $4 billion business. A business needs to be profitable. A business needs to constantly change to address change. A successful business requires hard work. But I highly encourage you to become a student of the industry, beyond what you learn here in the classroom. Be curious. Seek out news. How is the industry changing? If you are not already, become a subscriber of the NRF Daily Feeds, National Retail Federation. In the retail business, the customer is at the core of the business. Have you ever wondered how the retail store makes a decision? What to buy, how much to buy, what to charge, when to deliver, where to put it, And how do you communicate this to the customer? All the concepts that we discuss in this class go back to meeting the customer needs. We call these the 5 rights of merchandising. The 5 rights of merchandising are buying the right merchandise, making sure it's in the right place, identifying the right time when the customer wants it, choosing the right price, and buying the right quantities. The course description of buying and planning class is the study of the essential concepts, practices, calculations, and procedures related to the many functions of the merchandising teams that collectively work together to produce a profit. Upon review of these 5 rights, it's obvious without them there will not be a sale. No matter how beautiful the store is, how great the displays are, if the merchandise is not there when the customer wants it, at the right price the customer is willing to pay for it, and in the right amount, all other efforts will be in vain. You are responsible for your success in this class. You've agreed to take this class online, so you need to prepare accordingly. You need to review and read the material, utilize the discussion board, properly plan your time, and ask help when you need it. You are responsible for your learning. Upon successful completion of this course, you will be able to recognize and apply the basic and fundamental factors of the buying and selling process that affects profits, understand and apply the basic mathematical concepts used to solve real-life merchandising problems, and understand industry terminology used in retailing and merchandising. I have introduced you to the concepts that link back to the buying and planning process that meets the 5 rights of merchandising. You will learn in this class by doing. You will learn to use the math calculations to compare and contrast, and you will learn to identify patterns to grow the business or minimize losses. So let's get started.